Have you ever wondered how to use the Finnish verb pitää? In this video, you will learn 8 different meanings that the verb pitää can have. Pitää, to like something. You've probably seen the verb pitää in the context of to like something, and this is definitely one of the most common ways to use that verb. Here's a couple of simple example sentences. Minä pidän sinusta. I like you. And note that you have to use the sta ending with pitää. You don't use the form sinä, you have to use sinusta, which is the elative case. Minä pidän tästä elokuvasta. I like this movie. Again, in order for us to say we like something, we have to make sure that we put the person or the thing that we like in the elative case. It kind of completes the meaning of the verb pitää. So tämä elokuva is the basic form, nominative form for this movie, and when pitää is used in the meaning of to like something, you have to turn tämä elokuva into tästä elokuvasta. Note that the elative form for the Finnish word se is siitä. So if you want to say, for example, I like it, you have to say minä pidän siitä. And I know that's confusing because it doesn't have sta at the end, but it is still the elative case. It's just that se is a little bit different and it's very common. So I wanted to bring it up. Pitää, must and have to. Minun pitää olla kotona illalla. I have to be home in the evening. Pitääkö sinun lähteä nyt? Do you have to go now? This is a very common meaning of pitää, must or to have to. And you have to make sure that the person or the thing that has to do something is in the genitive. For example, here we're not using the basic form minä, we're using the genitive minun instead. Pitää, to keep. Here's an example. You tell someone that you ordered a new phone online, but you're not sure you like it, and they might ask you if you're gonna keep the phone. Aiotko sinä pitää sen? Are you going to keep it? And then you might answer, minä pidän sen. I'm keeping it, or I'll keep it. And remember I talked about how to use pitää to say that you like something. Well, the only thing that's separating minä pidän siitä and minä pidän sen, which means I'm keeping it, is the form that the word se is in. Pitää, to hold. Mä voin pitää sun laukkua. I can hold your bag. Voisitko pitää tätä hetken? Could you hold this for a second? You can also say to someone, pidä mun kädestä kiinni. Hold my hand. Pitää, to keep something somewhere or in a certain state. This can be both concrete or not so concrete. Here's an example. Me pidämme autoa etupihalla. We keep the car in the front yard. And here we have a more abstract example, which also means to keep something or store something somewhere in your mind. Pidä mielessä, että huomenna sataa vettä. Bear in mind that it's going to rain tomorrow. The meaning can also be to keep something in a certain state. For example, anna vauvalle lelu, se pitää hänet hyvällä tuulella. Give the baby a toy, it'll keep him in a good mood. Pitää jotakin, to wear something. The verb pitää can just simply mean to wear a piece of clothing or accessories. Mä en tykkää pitää solmiota. I don't like wearing a tie. To throw a party, to hold a meeting, or to organize something. Pidän juhlat ensi viikonloppuna. I'm throwing a party next weekend. Vaalit pidetään ensi keväänä. The election will be held next spring. Pitää jotakin jonakin, to consider or to view something as something. Or to think of something as something. That sounds confusing, but this is a big one. Here's an example. Minä pidän sinua rehellisenä ihmisenä. I consider you an honest person. What we need is pitää plus the partitive plus the essive. Minä pidän sinua rehellisenä ihmisenä. Hän pitää minua hölmönä. He or she considers me a fool. Suomen kieltä pidetään vaikeana kielenä. The Finnish language is considered a difficult language. Now pay attention to the case here. You need the partitive and you need the essive, and those carry a lot of meaning. I hope you learned something new from this video. There are so many more examples that I wanted to give you, but this video should give you an idea of how broad the meaning of the verb pitää is. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!